Morning children, back to your classroom. Today we have the first chapter in English, that is 19,000 schools doesn't have blackboards. Okay, so as we are studying in a school, we all have the facilities. Okay, not in everything, but in whatever we need, we are just having all the facilities from our schools. We have toilets, we have blackboards, we have bench and desk, we are sitting for in the computer lab, we have separated toilets, everything. We have a wonderful big house, huge buildings. It's everything just included in our school that we had learned. But some of the students, they don't have even the blackboards. So here I just read, it's elementary that if we want to have a stable structure, we have to have a strong foundation. It is elementary. Elementary means just we have in the early stages of studies. Okay, elementary means just we have the knowledge about the early पहले और कोई भी 20 years की पहले कैसे थी और एजुकेशन, हमारा स्टडीज़ कैसे थी, हमारा स्कूलिंग कैसे थी, जो हम थोड़ा भी आज देखते हैं. But in government functioning, such common sense is not very common. While we make remarkable strides in the space arena and even dream of sending man to the moon in the near future. See, but in government functioning, such common sense is not very common. Some private schools we have the very larger facilities, but even still some government schools doesn't have. In the space arena means see the area of activities. Meaning of us area of activity have even dream of sending the man to the near futures. Even we are just having the man. We are every year how many years के बाद में हम तो try करती है. We are just sending men to the moon. But we just doesn't have the a very good promotion in the schools level. We continue to ignore even elementary education. In all the field that government has success their activities, the government have done their best of abilities. But in education level, some of the places are very, very bad in level. That is why there are 19,000 schools in the country doesn't have the blackboards. All this is has to believe in the 21st century. सही है ना, ये 21st century में हमको ऐसे कुछ विश्वास करने के लिए थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम थी, क्योंकि हम तो अभी तो ज़्यादा लग्जरी कोई some of the peoples are having the luxurious life. In this life also, some students they doesn't have the blackboard even in the school. But this is abysmal. Abysmal means extremely bad. Okay, abysmal means it's very extremely bad. Report card about the state of governance comes from none other than the National University of Educational Planning and Administration. What kind of education such schools will be providing will be anybody's guess. See, report card about the state of governance comes from none other than the National University of Educational Planning and Administration. Each year the schools will be providing a report cards for each of the student, but it is not related to the planning of a University of Educational and Administration. Okay. And what kind of education such schools will be providing will be anybody's guess. Such a schools could not provide the successful future for that students. Ironically, such states of affairs exist not only in rural areas but also at urban schools in some states. This is sometimes happen in the rural areas. Rural areas means it is not a city, it's like as a village. Village sometimes it should be happen, but in the sometimes it's happen in the urban schools also. Urban means in the related to the city level. Rural means it's in a village. Urban means like the cities. While the percentage of school in rural areas without blackboard is 7.73%, it is as high as 9.06 in urban areas. See, in rural areas 7.73% schools doesn't have the blackboards, but the same time the 9.06 urban areas also doesn't have the blackboards even in the school. Blackboards are not the only item needed to impart elementary education to children. There are thousands of schools which also do not have buildings, drinking water facilities, toilets, boundary walls, and playgrounds. We do not know that all schools have chalk, although the schools without blackboards would not need this item of luxury. See, blackboards are not only the item needed to impart the elementary. Okay, ब्लैकबोर्ड मतलब इट इज़ कुछ ना कुछ नहीं है, हमारा कम्युनिकेशन के लिए ब्लैकबोर्ड चाहिए तो चाहिए, नहीं है तो नहीं चाहिए. ओके, बट देर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्कूल्स स्टिल डू नॉट हैव द बिल्डिंग्स, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फैसिलिटीज़, टॉयलेट्स, बाउंड्री वॉल्स. हमारा स्कूल की 4 साइडों की हम तो बाउंड्री वॉल्स बनाते हैं ना, कोई दूसरा गाड़ी अंदर नहीं आना है, कुछ एनिमल्स नहीं आ सकता, ऐसे तो हम बाउंड्री वॉल्स बोलती है. Some of the schools doesn't have also. So we do know that all the schools have chalk. देखो, कोई भी स्कूल में ब्लैक बोर्ड नहीं है तो उनका चौक भी फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं चाहिए. ब्लैक बोर्ड नहीं है तो चौक की यूज़ नहीं हो जाएगा. So they are just having the luxury like that. They are just having the luxury items like the same way only. The shocking tale of neglect does not even here. There are schools which have only one classroom. To call them schools is in itself a travesty. Okay. Some of the schools have only one room, so they will be called the students. Okay. So there will be having a shocking misrepresentation. Means all the students will come and sit together, and they will be having in a particular class. Other students have to sit there with the calm and quietly, and they will be making other noises also. The teachers doesn't mind. Okay, this is happening in the 21st century also. There are some of the places, not in everywhere. The lack of facilities affects enrollment of students in schools. The report admits the end result is that we are raising a whole generation which has been deprived of the benefit of even most rudimentary. Okay, such as school. If we go like this in the way, we should know, we cannot be given. We couldn't give a clear basic for the students. How can these children of a lesser god ever compete with their more fortunate cousins and also lend a helping hand in nation building? But who cares? See, if we want a good citizen, we have to give a good facilities for the students in the school. If we couldn't provide, we cannot make a good students for the future. If the students can come as a future and successful, we will get a good IAS, good IPS, good MLA, good Prime Minister, Chief Minister, everywhere, everything we will be getting. But the students have to get a good facilities in the schools and the same time as the place where they live. Okay, children. So today, just we wind up the class. Read this chapter very carefully, and if you have any doubt about this chapter, you can ask me. And please find out the hard words to I will be giving a homework for you in classroom app. So thank you for today.